Hello guys, today I'm going to replace a headlight bulb for that side. As you can see in the video, we have the driver's side headlight working, but the passenger side not working. And this is the 2013 Ford Fusion. If you have the same problem, process watch the video and how to easy way to remove this light bulb. First, we will need to remove the cover by unclip some. As you can see, one right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, some more, I believe 10, 9 maybe, yeah. And one more clip right here on the driver's side for the bumper, and on the bumper in the front here, as you can see, one screw right here, 1, 2, 3, remove, and the passenger side clip right here, remove. So now, get in your car and turn the wheel to the driver's side. As you can see right here, one clip right here, and one right here, and one more right here. 3 on this side, and 2 from the bottom. As you can see, once you have all total 5, this one from the bottom here, it look like this, and 2 on top here, 1, 2 right here, it look like this, and these from the bottom. When you have the RV clip removed, and from the side here, they pull it out. Yep. When you have the bumper on this side freely like this, and also on this side, yep, just pull it out like this, and use something to block it right here. Yes, that's what. No matter what thing you put it here, don't let the bumper pop back. That's good enough for me for this side. You can see it'll open a little bit easy for me to pull the headlight out a little bit. Yeah, now we deal with the headlight. As you can see, one screw right here, support for move. One I believe the T25, and also this one more right here for T30. See, 2 more 10mm bolt right here. Move. As you can see on this design, I had like assembly very closer to the frame right here, and even the seal right here, the cap shield, we still cannot take it off because no room right here. And after you guys have 10mm bolt right here, remove one bolt right here, remove. You want to fine it up and put it to the side right there, don't lose it. So, and now you can able to put the headlight assembly forward, and you have room to change the light bulb from there. Okay, now, like you can see, right now we have a lot of room right here. I'm changing the bolt. First, take out the shield, and then set the bolt and turn it counterclockwise with the magnetic. See, now you can able to remove the bolt right here. See, but anyway, when we have a new bolt installed, and we should put a little of electrical brick in here to protect it, melt it like this. Now I have a new light bulb with me. Every time you guys change the headlight bulb, should not touch on the glass right here. Your finger will be around here. It's okay. Don't touch on this. Your skin oil will leak on the bowl and get more heat, and the bowl easy damage. So put a little electrical hook on the metal like this. Bring up your finger, go back in. So let the bolt stay somewhere like this. And then get inside the car, turn the light on, and look at the bolt is to work. That means the circuit, everything okay. Just the bolt back. Let me turn the light on. And when the light on like this, the bolt is very harsh. Stay away from something flatted, rubber, something like that. So now we have the new light bulb installed, it's working. That we are able to put it back. You can see from here, from the connector straight up, we have the big lock right here. And keep in mind that the big one right here. And try to look from inside. Here, that big one will go in there. Yeah, I found the big one is straight big way. And make sure the light bulb is sitting secure. And don't forget, you can able to put the seal back. Don't forget this, guys. Puts on, good in place. And now turn the light on again to check. Now the light is on. And you can see this side I just change the bulb, and this side is still stay on. That'll be good to go. And first thing we need to do, take this thing off from here. Yeah, take it off. Now it's time to put the headlight back. Yeah. Back in place like that. And as you can see, one screw right here on top. We try to line up the screw first. Right here. The hand tight, hit one. Wow, this one is 75. That's the hand tight like that, guys. And now, you don't need to deal with the bumper right now. We just deal with the headlight first. You can see this guy. We practice. Put it back. Also, line up this screw. So hand tight. Turning the bolt back. Now you can able to tighten it all the way. So we got tight. Now right here we can able to put it back. But before you put this back, make sure the bumper is under the cover. You know the cover will be above the bumper. If the bumper above the cover, and later you have to remove it again. Let's see. Back in the slot like that. Yep, all in place now. And then you can able to put the clamp everything, we clip everything back in. Yep, now you can able to see the hole right there. If you guys the bumper is under the cover, above the cover, you cannot put it in. And you see right here. Oh shit! Yep, I got one. Sorry for one hand, guys. Yep. Okay, let me put them all back in, and we'll be done. Okay, that's it, guys. Put everything back in above here. Try to tighten the bumper back. You can see right here, and you're good to go. All right, that's it, guys. If you have your vehicle the same problem like this, headlight bulbs out, and then change it yourself. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.